Alright, it is time for part 2 of Balos Beach, or episode number 2. I am now on the main part of the beach that is most crowded. Even today, on this very non-touristic April, 24th of April, Wednesday. Um, yeah, there are probably around less than 50 people on the whole beach, and it's quite huge beach, and you can find your own inner peace even further up towards the sand dunes there, towards the mountain as well. This is how it looks like on a Wednesday, 24th of April 2024 at 12:20 o'clock. And I already did a swim from this point, maybe around 600 meters. It was on the open sea. Now I'm gonna be swimming here in the natural pool here inside in Balos Beach. So 20 degrees Celsius in the air. I measured the water. It was 15 degrees both in the pool and also towards the open sea. There wasn't any satellite measurement. The closest by was Kissamos, and there it was 17.3. But here it was colder because this is more on the open sea. So yeah, it's time for another swim in the sea, and this is the Mediterranean Sea right here, the open sea. So that's why it is also probably colder. So check out how it looks like. And we're gonna be going inside. It is very shallow, so let's see if we can find some depth to take a swim. So here we have a bit larger sand. It's not so fine. And in the entrance here there are some rocks here and there, but otherwise it is sandy also. Marvelous, isn't it? All right, beautiful. Look at that. Balos Beach. This is. And yes, this is episode number 2. Check out the first episode as well from Balos, and I will be posting a few more later as I'm gonna be here for a few more hours. And here it is quite shallow. I mean, compared to the place I was swimming over there, this is much better. I see a cat on the beach. How did the cat get here? That's strange. Interesting. Wild cat maybe. So 15 degrees, Balos Beach. It's time for a swim. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look around the water. Beautiful landscape. This is what a beach adventure should be like every day. We don't have, unfortunately, this type of clear waters in Sweden, but I can't complain. At least we have clean lakes and sea in Sweden, but it is not beautiful like this, definitely not. We can also see even from here Granvosa Island, and this is Balos Island, obviously. Alright, let's dive in once again! It's so beautiful. Oh, this is probably one of the top 5 beaches I have ever visited. and I have been to a lot. I'm not sure if I'm gonna give it number one, but maybe if I was here on a more sunnier day. But it's beautiful. Alright, let's continue to explore and take a few more swims here in Balos Beach. But yeah, thanks for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!